Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a border on Vistaprint. All right. But the question is it possible? Well, you can, but as Vistaprint says here, you can, but we recommend you don't. Borders can come out uneven or lopsided due to our cutting process. Now, to prevent white edges, borders on your printed product, always stretch your design to full bleed. Now, full bleed means this one. This section right here, the blue one, okay? Make sure it says earlier that you stretch out your image or project to full bleed, okay? Make sure that you click on the background image. And as you can see here we have the full bleed line. Make sure that it exceeds that or fits it or fits on the bleed, okay? Or full bleed. Safety area right here. Outside this safety area is where they usually cut your, for example, your postcard or business card, okay? And this area right here. Now, if you really want to add some border, you got to use a graphic right here. Just type in rectangle and you choose whatever you want. For example, this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and change the color like so. Select white maybe. And then just make it bigger. Okay, use these points like so. If you want it to be inside the safety area and you wanted it to be visible when it's printed, you can go ahead and adjust the length of this rectangle as much as you want. Okay, like so. Add another one. Maybe this one right here, vertical. There you go. Change the color to white. And just make it bigger. Just zoom out so you can see better, just like so. Arrange layers right here. Maybe I'll set it to back. Make this one bigger, like that. And there you go. That's how you add a border here on Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.